was a gentleman mixing asbestos with his hands and mixing it to create then the pad for the brakes. And they said, you know, this can kill you. And he said, yes, I know, but how do I provide for my family if I don't do this?
I mean, what a life, you know, Kaz, imagine what life would have been like there if your parents hadn't got you out.
I was very lucky. I was very lucky.
Are you familiar with that story of the Cuban Grand Prix in '59?
Yes, it was a kidnapping of Juan Manuel Fangio, the famous Argentinian race car driver. And he was kidnapped by the Cuban revolutionaries. They released him after the Grand Prix. And they said, why'd they kidnap you? He said, for publicity. He goes, they treat you badly? He goes, no, they were perfect gentlemen.
It was one of those amazing stories, though.
You know, Fangio used to put, before a race, he'd go to a turn and analyze a turn, and he'd put like a big silver dollar, you know, or Cuban big peso or something, and then bet people that in that turn he was going to run it over.
And he was a great proponent of the four-wheel drift, so to hit a silver dollar while doing a four-wheel drift. So do you drive some big old American Chevy then that you keep going with shampoo and things in the States, or you?
No, I have a little Porsche and, that I drive, a 4S, 2006 or something.
So no Prius?
No Prius.
Good man. Good. No, you'd be very welcome here. You see that? No Prius.
I'm all for clean diesel and hybrids and all that, but not a Prius.
Just not a Prius. Did you not once have a Peugeot?
It's a diesel wagon, 504 diesel wagon. There was a beautiful car. It couldn't make its way over the hill in Hollywood, but it rode beautifully on the highway in fifth gear. It just would quiet down, and you'd put like $20 of diesel in it, and it lasted for like 14 months. And they had beautiful lines. That car had beautiful lines. I miss the car. If anybody's watching the show that bought my car, please, I want to buy it back.
Yeah, okay, that's, well, a 504 diesel. Anyone got one? Nope, didn't think so.